Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials, so start by installing Git, VS Code, and the Copilot extension. Sign in with your GitHub account. Once done, enable Copilot in editor settings and pick inline or chat mode depending on your workflow. Open the project folder and create a new file, then write a single, clear prompt line describing desired function or component. This gets Copilot producing meaningful suggestions immediately. Make sure to include language, framework, and expected output for better results. Once Copilot provides a suggestion, refine it by adding comment prompts, explicit function signatures, and example inputs so the model knows intent and edge cases. Then accept, edit, or cycle through alternatives using the suggestion UI or Alt+/. As you iterate, run unit tests or add type hints to catch errors early. Copilot learns from context, so more precise prompts produce safer code. Also use Copilot Labs or the chat to ask why a choice was made and request alternative implementations when needed. To finish, run tests, linters, and quick manual checks to validate logic and security. Review third-party license concerns if code copies external patterns. Next, refactor where necessary, add clear comments, and commit with a descriptive message so reviewers understand changes. If Copilot suggestions are off, simplify your prompt, reduce file context, or provide more explicit examples. You can also disable Copilot briefly and retry. A key tip: clear, smaller prompts often fix bad suggestions more effectively than restarting the editor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.